Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware and plan. That gets you past the common blocker. Insert the SIM, then open My Geo to check or upgrade your 5G plan. This activates provisioning on Geo's side. Once done, update your phone OS and carrier settings so the radio supports new bands. Make sure firmware is current because device firmware often contains 5G compatibility fixes. Finally, reboot the phone to apply changes and let the network register your device. This kickstarts actual 5G registration. Next, you configure the phone so it searches for 5G rather than sticking to LTE. Go to Mobile Network Settings and choose the NR or 5G/4G auto mode. This forces the modem to attempt 5G connections. Then confirm the APN is Geo's default. If it isn't, add the exact APN values. This ensures data and signaling reach Geo's 5G core. Once done, enable VoNR or the 5G voice option if available, because voice over 5G improves call handovers and overall experience. Finally, validate success by running a speed test in a known 5G coverage area. You should see higher peak rates and lower latency. If you don't hit 5G, make sure you're in Geo's 5G footprint and try a SIM reseat or a SIM swap at a store, because provisioning sometimes locks to older profiles. As a key troubleshooting tip, perform a network settings reset and test the SIM in another 5G-capable phone. If issues persist, contact Geo support for provisioning checks and tower-side troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.